Java for data science. We will explore the various ways in which Java can be used for data science, from data processing and manipulation to predictive modeling and data visualization. Understanding the role of Java in data science. Java is a high-level, object-oriented programming language that is renowned for its portability, performance, and reliability. When it comes to data science, Java can be used for a wide range of tasks, including data processing, data manipulation, data modeling, and more. Data processing and manipulation. Java's powerful file handling capabilities, data scientists can easily read, write, and modify data from various sources. Whether you are working with structured or unstructured data, Java's libraries and APIs make it easy to process and manipulate data. Predictive modeling and data visualization. With libraries such as Vector and more, data scientists can develop sophisticated machine learning algorithms and generate actionable insights from their data. Additionally, Java's visualization tools, such as FreeChart and JavaFX, enable users to create compelling visualizations that enhance the understanding of complex datasets. Harnessing the power of Java libraries for data science. Whether you are exploring data, cleaning and pre-processing data, or building predictive models, Java libraries can help you achieve your data science goals with ease. Conclusion. In conclusion, Java is a powerful programming language that offers a wealth of tools and capabilities for data science projects.